hopefully it works. So part of the process. Okay, we are ready to go. So we gotta go pick up the truck and we gotta pick up the pallet jack. Then we're gonna head to Northport. So let's get out of here. Okay, stop number one. Gotta go get us one of them trucks over there. So let's go. Okay, we are in the truck. As you can see, it's a big boy. So now we're gonna head over to Home Depot. Okay, part two. We got the pallet jack from Home Depot. Time to put it in the truck. Thank you to Home Depot for the rental. Okay, got the truck, got the pallet jack. This truck is not that long or big, but you know, when you driving it, it definitely feels that way, you know. So let's get ready to hit Northport and pick up this machine, baby. On the road. Good thing is there's nothing on the highway right now, but yeah, we're on the way there. The guy's waiting for us, so when we get there, we're gonna load it up. We may have to stop by Home Depot again because I may need something that I can use to make sure the vending machine don't move back there. So yeah, it's exciting. This is part of the journey. Like I said, it's empty out here, you know? So we are on the way. Okay guys, I want to make sure I share with you some of the challenges that comes along with having a vending machine business. For example, right here, we're dealing with the pallet jack being too big. I was supposed to get a smaller pallet jack, but when I went to Home Depot, they was only renting out the bigger pallet jacks. The smaller ones that they had was only for the workers inside the store. So unfortunately, I was stuck with having to use this one. The guy that's helping me with the machine now, his name is Gustavo. He's the one selling me the machine. I actually purchased my first vending machine from him, and his advice was to always use a smaller pallet jack. But like I said, since we were stuck with this one, we still made it work. It was just a little bit more headache. So this is something you guys will have to prepare for in the future. Whenever you start your vending machine business, or you're going to be transporting a machine in and out of a building. In the future, I will purchase my own pallet jack, a smaller one. But as you can see, we had to make some adjustments here, and you know, it took us a good minute to get it out, but you know, where there's a will, there's a way, so we definitely made it happen. Woo! Finally got that out the way. That was fun, but it was hard trying to get it out that door. But yeah, the pallet jack was too big because the legs on the vending machine, you know, it kind of got in the way, so it's kind of tough to get it through the door. So we got to stop at Home Depot because I feel like the vending machine in the back is going to tip over or something. So we're still in Northport right now, but we definitely about to stop by and get something to tie up this machine. Oh yeah, this is what we need right here. But something like longer than that though. Oh yeah, these will work too. So, this fell out. So, we're gonna go with this. $10 from Home Depot. Hopefully it worked. So, part of the process. It's tied up. You know, we came to Home Depot, had to get something to hold it down. So as an extra precaution, you know, got this bad boy right here, you know, just tighten that up. So yeah, we good. We on the way back to Fort Myers finally. It is hot, man. As you can see, we got the AC blasted right now. So I'm hoping you guys can still hear me. We're gonna put it in the barbershop and fill it up. Well, we're gonna clean it first. Dang it, forgot to clean the appliance. Okay, it's okay. We finally made it to the place, and I'm putting my vending machine at. It's gonna be at the barbershop. Right now, I'm across the street because I'm waiting for a couple of people to get here to help me out. And I'm trying to determine if we're gonna take it in through the front door or through the back. So I'll show you guys real quick how it looks over here. There's another truck over there right now. Seems like they're moving some tires, but in a few we're gonna get this machine in there. So just let y'all see. It's gonna be at this barbershop right here. So this barbershop is I guess you can kind of call it a Dominican barbershop. They have a lot of Hispanics going in and out of there. And actually all of these stores here are a mix between Haitian and Dominican stores. And this barbershop has a lot of activity. So we can do the diagnostic test. Good, okay, good, that's good. Let's see, feel good, yes, okay. All right, everything is good. So, we got a clean, empty machine. So now, so as you can see, we have the corns in there, loaded up. Got both lights on, which is good. So we're ready to go. Okay guys, I was asked where you should put your vending machine during a pandemic, and my suggestion would be an airport. The airport that I work at now, we still have flights going on every day. Even though it's not as busy as before, there's still flights going on every day, which means there's still workers reporting to work. And on the air side of my airport, We have vending machines in the baggage area and around different parts of the airport where workers will always stop by to grab a snack or a drink. So since the airport is still having activity, there's still money that vending machine owners can be making. Second thing to an airport, my suggestion will probably be a hotel. It's kind of hard to think of where you can put a vending machine that'll still be profitable during this time. But my suggestion would be an airport or a hotel.